The Xiaomi 15 is a feature-packed smartphone with plenty to offer. It boasts a triple camera system powered by Leica optics, runs on the flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform, and features a sleek yet compact design. With a massive battery and many other premium features, is this the right phone for you? Let's find out. My unit came with a USB Type-C cable, some paperwork, and a SIM ejector pin, but no charger in the box. At least Xiaomi still includes a protective case, which is a nice bonus. The definition of a compact phone is always up for debate. While the Xiaomi 15 isn't exactly compact, for reference, it's about the same size as the iPhone 16 Pro. That makes it significantly smaller than the larger flagship devices like the iPhone 16 Pro Max or the Galaxy S25 Ultra. So while it's not a true compact phone, it's definitely more manageable than those big screen giants. Despite packing a massive battery, the Xiaomi 15 remains relatively thin and lightweight, making it comfortable to hold and use. The rounded edges on the back further enhance the ergonomics, ensuring a secure and comfortable grip in the hand. Xiaomi has used the latest battery technology to achieve this balance, ensuring great battery life without unnecessary bulk. Even with heavy use, including taking a lot of pictures, shooting videos, and doing everyday tasks, the phone lasted me 1.5 or even 2 days, which is very impressive. And when it comes to charging, the phone doesn't disappoint. It supports 90 watts fast wire charging and 50 watts fast wireless charging, meaning that you can top up the battery in no time. When it comes to build quality, Xiaomi delivers a true flagship experience. The phone features a sturdy metal frame with a matte finish, which not only feels premium but also resists fingerprints and smudges. It's smooth to the touch, and I really appreciate the rounded edges that blend seamlessly into the glass back. Everything about the build screams high-end craftsmanship. The buttons feel tactile and satisfying to press, and with no moving parts, the phone feels solid and well constructed. Now let's talk about the display. Xiaomi has equipped the 15 with a custom Xiaomi panel, delivering a flagship-grade experience. It's sharp, very bright, and simply stunning to look at. Whether you're using it outdoors or in dim environments, visibility is top-notch. To add durability, the display is protected by the Xiaomi Shield glass. On top of that, the phone is IP68 certified, meaning it's protected against dust and water. It also features a fast and accurate fingerprint scanner for quick unlocking. And one of my favorite things, the dual speakers. They deliver a rich and immersive sound experience. But don't just take my word for it. Here is a quick audio test. The phone has a Leica branded camera setup that consists of a 50 megapixels main shooter, a 50 megapixels telephoto sensor, and another 50 megapixel snapper that lets you capture wide-angle photos. On the front, there is a 32 megapixel shooter. In addition to its other functions, the camera app provides the option to select between two styles, Leica Vibrant and Leica Authentic. While I personally favor the Vibrant look for its superior dynamic range and contrast, the Authentic style can be beneficial in specific scenarios, ultimately depending on the shot and individual preferences. The main camera offers flagship-grade photos with plenty of detail, natural color reproduction, excellent dynamic range, and good contrast. These are some of the best photos I've seen taken on a phone. The camera app seamlessly integrates hardware and software, allowing you to capture images at wide angle, 1x, 2x, 2.6x, and 5x zoom. Overall, image quality is impressive across the zoom range with sharp details, accurate colors, and well-balanced exposure. While the wide-angle lens isn't always consistent, as some shots could be sharper with more detail, but it still delivers pretty good results overall. The telephoto lens has a short focus distance of just 10 centimeters, which allows you to take very good quality macro shots. The camera app offers a variety of portrait mode styles, allowing you to capture portraits with different artistic effects. The overall quality is impressive, with good edge detection and natural-looking skin tones. What's great is that the app lets you take portraits at different focal lengths, ranging from 23 to 75 millimeters, giving you the flexibility to choose the framing and perspective that best suits your shot. Whether you prefer a wider look or a more compressed background, you have the freedom to decide how your portrait will look. The phone features a fast shot mode, allowing you to capture pictures incredibly quickly, one after another. This can be especially useful in scenarios where you need to snap multiple shots in rapid succession, ensuring you don't miss the perfect moment. I'm really impressed with the front-facing camera. These are some of the sharpest and most detailed selfies I've seen on a phone, no matter if you use an auto or a portrait mode. Very good quality. Night mode is available on the wide-angle lens, the main camera, and 2.6x zoom lens, ensuring solid low-light performance across multiple focal lengths. The primary camera consistently delivers the best results, with intricate details, minimal noise, and excellent overall image quality. Even at 2.6x zoom, the images maintain good quality, which is an impressive result of seamless fusion between hardware and software. If you can find a decently lit street at night, selfies and selfie portraits can turn out pretty well. The Xiaomi 15 can record 8K videos at 30 FPS, delivering good overall quality with plenty of detail. However, the resolution I used the most was 4K at 60 FPS, as it provides smooth, stable, and detailed footage. The phone can shoot videos up to 4K 60 FPS with a front-facing camera. I like the overall quality. The footage is detailed and smooth. For the audio test, hear it yourself.
This is 4K 60 FPS video. Handheld footage, no stabilization tools.
The Xiaomi is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform, delivering flagship-grade performance across the board. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or running demanding apps, the phone handles everything smoothly and efficiently. With fast storage and a lot of RAM, uploading times are quick and overall responsiveness is excellent. The phone runs HyperOS, which is the Xiaomi's latest UI that brings a sleek, fast, and customizable experience. It is optimized for performance, offering smooth animations, fluid transitions, and improved efficiency. Beyond that, AI is a major focus on this device, with Xiaomi Hyper AI features integrated throughout the system. Just to name a few, there is AI writing, AI dynamic wallpapers, and AI-powered gallery editor, speech recognition, interpreter, subtitles, and more. Google's Gemini AI and Circle to Search are also built in, making it easy to search for information or get AI-assisted help on the go. I'm not saying you're going to use all of these AI features, but they are here, and in case you need them, they can be very useful for improving workflow, speed, and productivity. Whether it's editing photos faster, generating text, or translating in real time, these tools are designed to make your daily tasks more efficient. Overall, hardware, software, and AI integration come together to deliver a powerful, smooth, and feature-ready experience on the Xiaomi 15. The Xiaomi 15 is a well-rounded flagship that excels in design, performance, battery life, and cameras. It is compact yet powerful, with a bright, durable display, top-tier Snapdragon 8 Elite performance, and smooth AI-enhanced HyperOS. The Leica-powered cameras deliver sharp, detailed photos, versatile portrait options, and solid low-light performance. Video recording is excellent, battery life is impressive, lasting up to 2 days, and 90 watts wired and 50 watts wireless charging ensure quick top-ups. Downsides are minimal. The wide-angle camera can be inconsistent and there is no charger in the box. But if you're looking for a powerful, feature-packed smartphone in a relatively compact size, the Xiaomi 15 is one of the best options out there. What do you think about the Xiaomi 15? Would you buy this phone or would you choose another option? As always, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.